Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Eileen. Just wanted to show what I've been up to. A friend reached out and asked me to make some shrink plastic charms and in several themes. So as you guys know, shrink plastic or shrinky dinks are very, inconsistent material. So a lot of these will be very inconsistent. They're not exact, and also they're a little toasted. And I'll just show you. This is what I mean. Yeah, I messed that up. So anyway, this is strawberry shortcake, and my friend asked for 6 of each, and let's count the ways. I won't torture you. I will count this. I'll be right back. Just the strawberry shortcake set of 6. There are 20 pieces here, or 20 styles, times 6, 120 pieces just for strawberry shortcake. Woo, that's crazy. This is only one of the collection. So I will move this to the side and bring in the other collection that I've been working with. Okay guys, so I also did a Winnie the Pooh theme. So these are the pieces that I created, and she only wanted 2 of these, so not bad. Look at this one right here. Sorry, it's really late. I was just trying to finish this up so I could get it in the mail. We got Tigger. We got Piglet and Pooh. We've got Pooh with the bee. A little piglet. Just, cute stuff. And then we got the whole gang here. So cute. Here's a different pose, Tigger, and here is Tigger and Eeyore. It's hard to see in the light now. It's kind of late. That's the same. So I just made 2 of everything because that is her set. So yeah. It's a lot of work. And then I have to, bag it and then send it out to her. And I did punch holes in these before I shrink the plastic. Otherwise, you'll have to drill it, and I've never done that, so I figured punch the holes, then shrink it. You just gotta remember to punch the holes. I've done somewhere, I forgot. So there is Winnie the Pooh. And then I also made her Care Bears. So we got several styles. And she also wanted 4 sets of these. I also gave her some Care Bear signs. There's some rainbows, and then just the individual Care Bears. These were kind of awkward because you got to punch the hole on their head. I didn't think about, before I punched it. Let me see. I think I showed you everything. Well, not really everything, but they're similar. So I got that one. And this was already from stuff that I already purchased. I bought these images off of Etsy. And then, loaded onto Design Space. So those are my Care Bears. And I don't even know how many pieces I've cut and shrank and punched. So this point. It's pointless to count, but I've made over 1,000 little shrink plastic charms. I say Shrinkadinks, but some people are like, yeah, that's a brand. Which is true. But, you know, that's what I grew up calling this, Shrinkadinks. So there you go. I also made her some Rainbow Bright. Some Rainbow Bright pieces, kind of. I want to show you just a little variety. And she got, and when I say sheets, I mean the shrink plastic sheets. Each sheet, I tried to fit as many images that I could onto one sheet, and then that way, you know, it'd be easier to get more out of the sheet. I've also made Kuromi, cinnamon roll, a bunch of Hello Kitties. I did Candyland. You got little signage there, all with holes in them. I did a Nightmare Before Christmas. I did Chucky and Tiff. She asked for those. And there's just regular Hello Kitty. This is a freebie that I, you know, she didn't exactly want this one, but I'm giving it to her for free. And the last collection she asked was, what is it called? Hocus Pocus. And she got 3 sets of that. And you notice some have more than others because she wanted different amounts of each. And this one is the largest by far. So, yep, there it is. So I got to box this up and send it out. And hopefully, yeah, I will not do this many ever again. This alone was a nightmare. This is 6 sheets. I mean, 12 sheets. 12 sheets. I literally had to cut with the Cricut, punch, and shrink. That is too much. So, anyway, that is it, guys. This is going to go out to my friend, and hopefully she likes what she gets. And if not, I apologize, but I will not be making these ever again. Only for my personal use. This is just way too much. Anyways, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and I hope to see you all in the next crafty video. If you're new here, welcome. Hit the subscribe button, join the crafty family, and while you're there, hit the notification bell. That will let you know when I load new videos like this or when I go live here on my channel. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you all next time. Bye.